Today I'm going to give a demo of vitamin deficiency detection using image processing and neural network. So in this project, we have collected the data set of this is a deficiency of vitamins. And after that, training is done through the neural networks and classification based on the GI we have done. So now we go for the code. We are just type ideally. Click on open, file, open, training. So these are the libraries we imported for the training purpose. So here, this is the dataset folder, and here we are loading the dataset. And after that, we are converting the NumPy array conversion. Then we are splitting the dataset into train and test and validation dataset. And in this, we are going to print the number of total categories, total images, training images, and test images. So in this, we are converting each image into the for RGB channels and also the 3D tensor, and last 3D to 4D tensor we will convert each image. So this process is it will display the graph, train accuracy and validation accuracy. So this is the model. So first we are defining the model. Initial stage is define the model, and this is the layers. Here we use two layers, convolution 2D, convolution 2D, and number of filters is 32. And in second layer, 64 we are used, and flatten to convert two-dimensional images into the one-dimensional. And softmax is used for to classify the diseases. And this is after that compile the model. Here it will display the accuracy by using matrix equals to accuracy. Now click on run model. So here you can see the total categories: vitamin A, vitamin B, D, and K. So here you can see the accuracy loss. So here I mentioned epoch 100 till 100 iterations. It will continue the process. So here you can see the along y-axis accuracy, along x-axis epoch. Here epoch 100 iteration. Based on this, get the accuracy trained and validation. Now we go for the testing code. Click on file open. So these are the libraries used for to create the GUI. Click on run model. Load the image from the dataset. Click on prediction. So here you can see the predicted disease is vitamin D. Parallelly, you can see the precautions. You can check for another input. Click on prediction button. So you can see the type of diseases, vitamin D, and also the precautions.